Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the form tag in HTML. Use the form element with action and method attributes to send data. Place inputs like text, email, password, radio, checkbox, select, and text area inside the form. Add labels and area attributes for accessibility. Include a submit button to trigger form submission, and use prevent default in JavaScript for custom handling when needed. To build reliable forms, choose the right attributes for action, method, and ink type. Use get for simple searches and post for sending protected or large data. Add novalidate to bypass built-in validation when you handle checks in JavaScript. Use accept for file inputs to limit types, and autocomplete to improve user experience. Ensure CSRF tokens or other protections are in place on the server side for post submissions. Good forms balance validation and accessibility. Use HTML attributes like required, pattern, min, max, and type to validate on the client side. Always pair inputs with labels and use area describe B for error messages to help assistive tech. Handle focus after errors and announce messages for screen readers. Validate again on the server to prevent manipulated submissions and give users clear, friendly guidance when they need to correct fields.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.